Have you ever seen the morning sun crescent over the island's horizon, lighting up the landscape for a new beginning? Or heard the stampede of a dedicated workforce eager to get the workday rolling? Have you listened to America's national anthem, reminding us all of our commitment to both our sailors and the nation? Or witnessed the hustle and bustle of equipment and materials being transported along our roadways to their final destination? Does your pulse race with the arrival of each submarine as the ship moors pierside? Or wondered about the choreography of a safe and exacting dry docking? Have you smelled the scent of fresh-cut lumber being milled to rigorous precision? Or watched as sheets of stainless steel are precisely folded and shaped into complex configurations? Have you stared at the massive cranes and respected the immensity with each lift? Or seen our engineers as they work through all the options and provide sound solutions to challenging problems? Have you noticed the smoothness of a machinist's lathe when shaping bar stock into finely tooled components? Or shielded your eyes from the mighty arc as a welder skillfully lays a bead of strength to a plate of steel? Have you beheld the craftsmen and women sew yards upon yards of sheeted material into fashioned enclosures? Or marveled at flying sparks like shooting stars as one applies the final touches? Have you ever viewed the thoroughness to which insulation encompasses the ship's components? Or watched as a painter skillfully provides a coating of protection? Have you ever heard the soft tapping on a keyboard while completing thousands of administrative commitments? Or been startled by the urgency of our first responders rushing into harm's way? Have you pondered those who came before us and celebrate a history unlike any other? Or been breathless with the immensity of new construction as we modernize the shipyard for work on our doorstep? Have you been overwhelmed by the level of technology and those who make it seem easy? Or been astonished by the choreography of wiring tucked into tight channels, each providing a path for power? Have you been amazed by our pipe fitters who weave miles of pipe around tight corners and enclosed spaces? Or been challenged at the high standards assured through testing and quality assurance? Have you witnessed the exactness with which we carry out our nuclear mission? Or felt comfortable in this unforgiving environment due to the compliance of strict safety measures? Have you marveled at the wonder of innovation with the implementation of new technologies in uncharted fields? Or been filled with pride as each graduating apprentice receives their achievement of excellence? Have you witnessed the satisfaction of a job well done as the submarine leaves our shoreline and silently transits for open ocean? Or seen our undersea warriors, the finest the Navy has, give it every bit they've got to protect our freedoms? Well, folks, this is Portsmouth Naval Shipyard, America's leader in attack submarine modernization. Each and every day, we are committed to expanding our undersea advantage and maximizing the material readiness of the fleet by safely delivering first-time quality, on time, and on budget. Thank you for serving.